while going to work. The car turned right in front of me and caused a head-on collision. The other motorist tried to fabricate her story, but before she did, I told her, do not fabricate your story. I have it on camera. If I didn't have the Nexar dash cam, this situation could have went completely south. So when the officer asked me about the video, I automatically went to the Nexar app and actually showed him the entire video. It proved that she was at fault of the head-on collision. Once you start to drive, the Nexar dash cam automatically starts to film. It captures every single step of my drive. Anytime that you have a hard brake or involved in an accident, it automatically has that whole clip from the time that you drive to the end of the accident scene. I always drive around with the Nexar dash cam everywhere I go because there are a lot of bad drivers, and I'm extremely thankful that I bought the Nexar dash cam. It's one of the best purchases I ever bought in my life.